cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving a favorite recipes and ideas of things we can make at home. Anyway, this one gonna be a simple one, guys, to be honest. Jerk, spaghetti, and vegetable. Very easy. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And remember, guys, we are always there for you. Thank you for the time you're watching the video, and also subscribing and leaving your comments. It's just amazing. So enjoy the recipe and stay tuned. Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, it is amazing to be in the kitchen. First thing we want to say to you today, we want to make you some jerk spaghetti with some vegetables, and it's fantastic. You know what I mean? You can do this during the week, or you know what I mean, I did something similar like this before, but I'm gonna show you what you need to do. First of all, I just steamed off this veg a while ago. This is some broccoli, carrot, baby corn, and green bean. Right over here I have some cooked spaghetti, which I'm gonna be used. This already cooked. I got red pepper, I got some garlic, spring onion, red pepper. We got some white onion, more season. But the beauty is, I'm gonna put the camera straight to the pot and start the action. Alright? Look at this now. Nice one. First thing, 1 teaspoon of virgin oil or olive oil on a medium sized heat at the moment. Then I'm gonna cut up 2 cloves of garlic. That's the garlic. And the beauty is then got some chopped white onion. I'm gonna put 1 large spoon chopped white onion. Let's put a little bit of the white onion, a little bit more. Chop it really finely. Red pepper. Roughly half of a red pepper. And then spring onion. That's most of the ingredients already. Then we're gonna put in veg, broccoli, baby corn, green bean, and carrot. So that looking lovely and nice. Then we're gonna put roughly about 2 handfuls of cooked spaghetti. Give it a stir. Pinch of jerk season. Nice one. Lovely already. Then pinch of mixed herb. Little bit of sweet chili sauce for option. You don't have to. And that looking yummy, lovely and nice. So now this is finished. We're going to shear it off. So it's not something that will take long. because you cook the veggie first and the spaghetti is cooked. So all you need to do is just simple stir fry it off. You get a lovely flavor from the jerk sauce towards it. If you want to add any more of your ingredients, pretty good to add it. It's free. It's alright. No worries. Add any more ingredients you like to add to it, guys. So basically, it's finished. And now I'm going to shear it out. Because the veg already cooked, as I said before, and the spaghetti is cooked. So you just need to give it a nice, lovely fried up. Get that lovely jerk seasoning to it. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. Jerk spaghetti with vegetable. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're going to do is shear it out. This one, now I mean you come from work in the evening, got too much spaghetti, and you have a pack of veg in the fridge, you can simply do something like this. Ideas is good to share to the fans then. And I know you guys are gonna love this one. Look at that, beautiful. This is fantastic. Whoa. Guys, if ever once you can smell the garlic, it is beautiful. Anyway, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. Jerk spaghetti with vegetables, really healthy and good for you guys. You know what I mean? Only because of the cereal, but that's fine. You know what I mean? There's still balance in the diet with some veg. That's brilliant. So please subscribe and leave a comments below. Very important for Chef Ricardo and the team. We got a lot more recipe, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things coming out for you. And remember to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. As I say, jerk spaghetti and vegetable mixed together. Fantastic, guys. Lovely recipe. All you need is a glass of orange juice and eat this for your dinner. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye-bye.